Welcome back to Code with Me. In this lesson, we're going to explore storage in JavaScript, which allows us to store data in the browser for later use. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand local storage versus session storage, how to use cookies in JavaScript, how to store and retrieve data efficiently. Let's get started. Local storage and session storage. JavaScript provides two main ways to store data in the browser. Local storage stores data permanently until manually cleared. Session storage stores data only for the session and is deleted when the page is closed. Using local storage. To store data in local storage, we use the localstorage.setItem method. Localstorage.setItem username John Doe. To retrieve stored data, we use localstorage.getItem. Let user equals localstorage.getItem username console.log user. Output John Doe. To remove a specific item from storage, use localstorage.removeItem. Localstorage.removeItem username. To clear all stored data, use localstorage.clear. Using session storage. Session storage works similarly, but only lasts as long as the browser tab is open. To store data in session storage, sessionstorage.sessionUser Jane Doe. To retrieve data, JavaScript lets session user equals sessionstorage.getItem session user, console.log session user. Output, Jane Doe. To remove an item, sessionstorage.removeItem session user. To clear all session storage, sessionstorage.clear. Cookies in JavaScript. Cookies are small pieces of data stored on a user's computer. They are often used for authentication, user preferences, and tracking sessions. Creating a cookie. We can create a cookie using document.cookie. Document.cookie equals user equals John Doe, expires equals Fry, 31st of Dec 2025, 2359 GMT, path equals /. Here, user if John Doe is the key value pair. Expires sets the expiration date. Path equals / makes the cookie accessible across the site. Reading cookies. To read cookies, use document.cookie. Console.log document.cookie. This returns a string with all cookies stored in the browser. Updating and deleting cookies. To update a cookie, simply overwrite it with a new value and expiration date. Document.cookie user at Jane Doe, expires equals Fry 33rd 25 2359 GMT, path /. To delete a cookie, set the expiration date to a past date. Document.cookie user gets expires the 01st Jan 1970 UTC, path equals /. Storing and retrieving data efficiently. When deciding between local storage, session storage, and cookies, use local storage for long-term storage of user preferences or settings. Use session storage for temporary data that should be cleared when the session ends. Use cookies when you need to store data that should be sent to the server with every request, like authentication tokens. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.